You are going to love the 2023 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps, Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlet, Bose sound system. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.